Hello, today we're going to add washer fluid to a 1998 to 2003 first generation Toyota Sienna. Okay, the first step is to open the hood and then prop the hood up. Okay, so the windshield washer reservoir is right here. It'll have a picture of a windshield with a sprayer on it. And this is also a good opportunity to just check your coolant level. There's a full and a low line, so you want to make sure the coolant overflow bottle is between those lines, which it is. And then there's also the power steering reservoir here, so you can just have a look and just make sure that it's between the low and the high line. The actual power steering level is checked by a dipstick on here, and you can just use a rag. A sock does a good job. Like, don't throw away your old socks. They make great rags as long as you don't turn them inside out. But you've got your dipstick here, and so you just put the power steering cap in, and you pull it out, and you look for the level on the dipstick, and if it's in the lower section, it's fine. Okay, to add the windshield washer fluid, flip open this cap here, and then take your bottle of windshield washer fluid, and I use the Toyota branded stuff because it's good for both summer and winter. It's good down to -40, but you can use it in the summer as a bug wash as well. So if you use the pink and the blue stuff, you'll find that the pink stuff might freeze in the winter, so then you'd have to replace it with the blue stuff. But if you use in all your long windshield washer fluid like this Toyota stuff, then you don't need to change it partway through the year. The Toyota stuff is relatively cheap, but you got to buy it from the dealership, but it's fine. So we're going to fill up the reservoir, and again, if the bottle's really full, it doesn't hurt to fill it like with the bottle upside down like this, because that way you have more control over the nozzle. It looks a little goofy, but if you pour it like this, it's sometimes a little hard to control, but whatever you prefer is fine. So we'll just top it up. And there's a strainer in the top of the neck that you can take out, but you know, it's just to catch bugs and leaves and stuff that might be in whatever fluid you're buying. I don't know what kind of fluid you're buying with bugs and leaves in it, but you know, it should be fine. So then you top it right up to the neck, close the lid, job done. Thanks for watching.